Here we have a 2020 BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there, finished in black and complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in an alpine white exterior paintwork, which in conjunction with the black accents looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the black kidney grills at the front just there. We've got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, which includes a front splitter and the side skirts. We've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Coming up we've got our colour-coded wing mirrors, black wing mirrors and colour-coded door handles, colour-coded shark fin antenna, black trim around the windows of the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've then got our third alloy wheel as well. Now on this vehicle we do have the adaptive M chassis as well as the M Sports differential. Coming to the rear we've got our front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera, XDRIVE badging on the left. We've got a dual exit exhaust, one on either side. We've also got our black spoiler lip, as you can see just there. Now you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now we've got a fantastic interior in here with the BMW individual seats, and how great do these look. Now we'll be going a lot more in depth on this vehicle as soon as it's had its full valet, but until then the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. If you'd like to see the full specification list that this vehicle does include, you can have a look down in the description below. Until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.